Hello, in this video I want to show you the power of the Google Smart Sheet template that I have created called SheetSmart. We have 4 formulas here, so I'm going to show a little bit of each one. The first one is the simplest one, that is AI GPT. So it takes, as in this example shows, some prompt. Let me copy this, and then I go here and I paste it. It will generate a short description of the fruit. And I do the same for these other things, create taglines for a business idea. So in this case, it's even simpler. It's just AI GPT and the cell where the prompt is. And you see, it did write that. And in here, the formula is AI GPT, the same one, concatenate. I can use, as you saw in the first example, the banana here, I can use the ampersand to separate things, or I can use concatenate so I separate by commas. This is easier to do. So I prefer this one, but I show both cases. So in here, I am asking to write a short, quirky, humorous Christmas poem on the following topic, the topic that is in cell 25, and this is the formula that we have here, as you can see. And I copy the formula down to this one, so I created some other things. Let's see another example with the same formula. In here, the prompt, as you can see, is we are writing a thank you card to the addressee that is in column A. In this case, this one, for attending our wedding. Please write 6-7 sentences for the card addressee to them. Be sure to mention what it is in column B. And here are some extra parameters that are optional. So you can see it's taking into account also what is in column B. Very cool. You can do summarization as well with the same formula. So you have some text, and basically it's AI GPT, and you say, I want a product review. A2 is a product review, and what are the main takeaways for these products? And please, in bullet points, so it produces some bullet points of those. And in here the formula is the same for both, but I'm using concatenate in the second example, as I explained. You can do translation as well with the same formula. So AI GPT concatenate translate what is in cell A2 to the language that is in cell B2, and it generates that in Spanish. And here I have something in English, I want that in French, and it generates here in French. And I have some other text, and here it generates this to Chinese. In this example, if I type equal AI, you see that we have 4 types of formulas. We covered already AI GPT, and in here we're going to use the table 1. And I say I want this for the A2. So it's very simple. Give me the top 5 news lines in China in April 2020. I click OK, and voila. Training example. In this case, I'm using this to do sentiment analysis. So the formula here is use this instruction, do a sentiment analysis based on these examples. The examples are in the range A7 to B12 with the background of blue, light blue. And I want to apply that to A13. And these 3 parameters at the end are optional. Basically the temperature, the max number of tokens, and the model. And it gives negative, and that's correct. I have one more, the images. So in here I will say equal AI, and in this case I will use DALLE-2, and I select the prompt. The size is optional, the size is the resolution. So if I click here, it will generate an image for this. In here I have a formula equal image b2, so that's why it makes that. I can make it this bigger. Of course I can click, let me put this, it looks like larger. And here I can see the image in the browser in full detail. And from here you can save it to your hard drive or something. I hope you like it.